Hi, my dear phonic learners. Thank you for joining me. I hope all are doing good. Are you ready to learn the new sound? Yes. Today we are going to learn the sound of this letter. This is G. G. If I say like this, it's my turn. If I say like this, it's your turn. G sound is G. 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 Now let's see in which words G sound is there. Do you know what is this? G. Glass. G. Glass. Excellent. Now tell me, what material is this? G. Gold. G. Gold. What is this? G. Grapes. G. Grapes. G. Grapes. Let's revise. G. Glass. G. Gold. G. Grapes. Now you know the sound of G sound, right? Now let's read the words. Repeat after me. R, a, g. Rag. G, a, p. Gap. G, a, t. Get. P, a, g. Peg. D, e, g. Dig. R, a, g. Rag. Let's read it fast, okay? G, a, p. Gap. G, a, t. Get. P, a, g. Peg. D, e, g. Dig. Now you know how to read the words. Let's learn how to write letter G. It's my magic pen and I will write on my magic paper. You also take out your magic pen and paper. Repeat with me. G. 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 Now I will write on this paper. Okay? G. G. So this was about letter G. G sound. You keep practicing and we'll meet in the next lesson with another interesting sound. Bye bye.